How to hide Snapchat app from your phone. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to learn how you can hide your Snapchat app from your phone. So there might be certain conditions in which you might like to hide your Snapchat app from other people, and just say that it's not installed in your phone while Snapchat does still exist inside your phone. So for that, there is an option. If you go ahead and find Snapchat where it's installed, go ahead and hold it. There you can see there is an option with red on it. If you hold it and press there you can see remove from home screen. After you go ahead and confirm it, your Snapchat will be hidden from your phone but still be inside the device. So that is how you can hide the Snapchat app. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.